I was watching a reel in which a girl was asking, if at the end we all have to die, then what is the point of living? The reply she got was like, why do you watch a movie when you know there is an end? You watch a movie because of the countless things that happen and the journey the characters take to reach the end. In the same manner, you can view your life and manifestation. This video would be helpful for everyone so that you don't struggle with your manifestation. And if you become impatient when manifesting, then this video is definitely for you. In this, I will try to tell you a little secret that is very obvious, but you haven't looked at it in such a manner. To start with, let us first look at why we get impatient. In my opinion, impatience comes when we lack confidence and faith, both of which are stumbling blocks to manifestation. So, whenever you think you are getting impatient, just realize that you are not living from the end, because when you are living from the end, you have already imagined it is happening right now. And when you imagine that you have already experienced it in the present moment, faith automatically builds up. Only when you are not truly living from your end state of being do you begin to have doubts and become frustrated with manifestation. Now, at the beginning, I talked about that reel. With the help of the movie example, the man in the reel tried to inform us that it was for the journey we were living. In the same manner, manifestation, when you imagine an ending scene, it is bound to happen. As Neville Goddard already told you, that whatever is on the outside is simply a reflection of our inner world. What we feel internally is mirrored in our external reality. Like a movie has an end, but you still watch the whole movie for the joy of it. In the same way, your manifestations have an end, and the end is you having that desire. You imagine yourself in possession of that desire. Now it depends on the journey you have to take. Sometimes the bridge of incidents that happen is small, and sometimes it is large. Your journey to manifestation will be different, sometimes taking a minute, sometimes an hour, and sometimes days, just like video content, which can be short or long, a documentary, a movie, or a show, all of which have different lengths, but the end result is the same. But one thing is certain, it will happen, and it will happen in the end. When you have imagined the outcome within, it is bound to happen. You just have to experience the journey. Now I will tell you a little secret. It is such an obvious thing that I have observed in my own journey. Now suppose I wanted to manifest a specific person. I have imagined her being in a committed relationship with me. Now whatever happens in my reality, I will be like, wow, so this is how it is unfolding for me. Receiving her calls every day can be a sure sign of her manifestation. But even if it is raining today, I should also consider it a movement that is taking place in manifesting a relationship. I know, due to the work of the logical mind, that the rain seems irrelevant as it is not related to her. But it is a bridge incident. I can say to myself, this is how it is unfolding for me. When I think from this perspective, I am certain that it is already happening right now, as I have experienced it within. When I think from this perspective, my logical mind will start its work and join the dots. Oh, it's raining. Maybe she is thinking of me. Maybe she is listening to romantic songs and missing me. Maybe she wants to drink coffee with me and cuddle with me. So, you see how everything can get in line with your manifestation. Now I am saying that many things can happen, some of which you will consider negative or positive, but these are the incidents that are making it happen. You can only connect those dots by looking backwards, not forwards. You can use this obvious thing in your manifestation journey. You can use it right now. So, don't think manifesting is hard. It is easy. You only make it hard by putting limitations on it. You make it hard by viewing it as a daily chore. Just simply use your imagination every day to imagine better outcomes. It is all in your hands. You are only giving meaning to everything. The meanings are yours. Give good meaning to everything that is beneficial to you. So, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something wonderful from it. Subscribe because I post these videos regularly. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.